Alright, so I just wanted to make a quick TA video on Solana. No BS, let's just jump into it. So I've got my fib drawn here from the low in July up to the high up here in November, and you can see the 618 is down here. So we are still technically bullish for Solana. We have had a small bounce from the 0.618. So I wouldn't be surprised if we break out of this channel and start making highs again for Solana. If we come to the Solana versus Bitcoin pair though, this is when things start getting iffy, because Solana, I mean technically Solana's bullish against the USD pair, but the Sol BTC, that's a different story. We were making, I mean technically this is a higher low, and this is still technically a higher low, so we can't say that Solana is bearish yet. This is one of the #1 reasons why I don't like support lines, and I like Fibonacci retracements, because you can look at that, you can withdraw trend lines however you want to fit whatever kind of pattern or whatever story you're trying to tell. So I'm gonna leave it at here for now. I really don't see another low. This would honestly be the last level that I could see Solana holding and still remaining bullish. If we come over to the total as well, this is our second warning sign. This is slightly too high. If we draw the fib low from June up to the high up here in November, you can see that we've just come crashing through the 0.618. so I mean technically the total crypto market cap is not looking bullish at all. The next price level down from here is obviously the 1.618 down here at 1.6 trillion. If we don't hold that, the next level down here is at the 2.618. And yeah, there's a little bit of confluence coming in. Let's see, where's the rectangle? Rectangle. Oh, I can't find it now. Oh, here we go. So let's see, from the 1.8 here, we've got the 0.5 here and the 2.618. so I mean, and obviously we have the 618 down here, so we still do have a ways to go. It does look like we've just broken bearish out of this, so Solana's really giving us mixed signals. The Solana USD pair is looking bullish, but obviously Solana follows Bitcoin, and Bitcoin looks like it's breaking bearish out of this structure here. Unless we are going to reverse, we would need to reverse at some point soon, otherwise we could completely fall outside of this Solana BTC trading pair. So that's pretty much all I'm looking at. I don't think there's anything else to add. The RSI is pretty low right now for Solana, but if we come out to the monthly candles, you can also see the RSI is very overextended on the monthly at 60 right now. If we come to the weekly, RSI is roughly about neutral, sitting at 40. And once again, if we come back to the daily, we are low right now. Let's see. So we haven't been this low for Solana. I mean, wow, the FTX trading view chart does not even have oh okay, we've got one low down here. We've got one low at 25. So the problem is on the daily is it's super likely for us to get a fake out because the RSI is so low. But if we come out to the monthly chart, the RSI is just it's heated right now. It's very heated. So I mean, on the macro scale, I would not be surprised if Solana came back down here, but there's literally no point in even talking about it or considering it until we break below the 0.618 here. So yeah, that's all. None of this is financial advice. These are all just my opinions on the market, and you should always do what's best for you.